Hello everyone. My name is Omar Farouk. I'm going to start my new tutorial series named 2-Minute Tutorial. My English speaking is bad, so I use Balabolka software. Thank you and stay tuned with me. This tutorial is about to look nice rusty effect in Photoshop. I will show you how to make nice rusty look on a photo. So let's start. All you have to do, the first thing is select a picture. I selected this picture to show you the tutorial. Now duplicate the background layer and name it. I took the name Hard Light. Now click OK. Now going to the blending mode and select Hard Light. Cool. Now I'm going to filter option and select other and select high pass option. Now select a value that you want. You can see the preview. I just make it 40 and click OK. This is okay, but sometimes it is a big problem when you need more adjustment. So we going to back and make this layer convert to smart object. Cool. Now you go to filter, other and select high pass and select a value and click OK. I make this layer smart object, so that I can change the high pass value anytime. What is smart object I will explain other video. Now you can see nice rusty look. If you want more, then you can duplicate the hard light layer and make some adjustment. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Do subscribe for more tutorial and click the bell icon to notify. Thank you.